Namaste children, I am Smita, your English teacher from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Class 6 Standard, Subject English. Children, in today's class let us learn a lesson called as Channapatna Toys. So supplementary lesson to Channapatna Toys. Children, this lesson talks about a place called Channapatna near Bengaluru and what is it famous for. So let us begin the lesson. Channapatna is the name of a small town between Bengaluru and Mysuru. Channapatna is famous for its beautiful and colorful toys. These toys mainly attract children. Janapada Loka, a folklore center, is near Channapatna. Here we can see articles of things used in olden days in the farming activities. Kengal Anjaneya Swami, a beautiful temple, is also near Channapatna. It is near the hometown of our late Chief Minister, Mr. Kengal Hanumantaya. The temple attracts thousands of devotees from different parts of the state. Children, this town called as Channapatna is between Bengaluru and Mysuru in Karnataka. Now, Janapada Loka is a folk museum which shows the village folk arts of Karnataka. So, it is situated in Ramanagara district in Karnataka. In Janapada Loka, we also find different articles related to olden days farming activities. A temple called Kengal Anjaneya Swami temple is also near Channapatna. Now, Kengal Hanumantaya, the second chief minister of Karnataka, was from Ramanagara near Channapatna. This temple, called as Kengal Anjaneya Swami temple of Lord Hanuman, is made up of natural red stone. Now let's read and enjoy the lesson. Divya and Mukta were sisters. Both were school-going girls. It was a Sunday. Both the sisters wanted to go out and enjoy the day. At that time, their grandpa called them. He was reading a newspaper. Divya and Mukta saw beautiful pictures of toys in the newspaper. They pestered their grandpa to tell them a story about toys. The following is what grandpa told them about the toys. Children, Divya and Mukta were sisters. So one Sunday, both the sisters wanted to enjoy the day. So their grandpa was reading the newspaper and the two girls saw pictures of toys in the newspaper. So they pestered means forced. They pestered their grandpa to tell a story about toys. So let us see what grandpa told about the toys. Tipu Sultan was a famous king. He was a good ruler. He loved children very much. He brought Persian toy makers to his kingdom. Persian toy makers trained local artisans. They left this wonderful art in our state. Children, Persia means Iran. So these Persian toy makers were called by Tipu Sultan to his kingdom. Now these people trained local artisans who left this wonderful art in our state. Once I went to Channapatna. Channapatna is also known as Gombegala Uru. I saw Maya Organic, an NGO there. In Maya Organic, people worked hard to get money from this great art. So, the grandparent of Divya and Mukta say that once he had been to Channapatna. So, it is also called as Gombegala Uru. There is Maya Organic, which is an NGO or non-governmental organization where toy makers are able to earn some money by making toys. Do you know how the people were making toys? People used to chip away on a piece of wood. But now, in Maya Organic, workers chip away on power laths and make toys. So, people earlier used to make toys by chipping on a piece of wood, but now they chip away on power lathe. Now, power lathe refers to a machine for shaping a piece of material such as wood or metal by rotating it. This is what their grandpa say. Channapatna toys are special. They are special because vegetable colors are used in them. These toys are sent to foreign countries, but there is every chance of rejection if they are not in good condition. Now, children, Channapatna toys are special because vegetable colors or dyes are used here, and these toys are sent to foreign countries which could be rejected if they are not in a good condition. I met Mr. Girish. He has got 18 years of experience in toy making. He said, "We are a family of toy makers. My father, now 74 years old, my brother, and all of us have been in this field of making toys for a long time. We make Sada Bombay, that means plain toys." So, children's grandpa says that he met Mr. person called as Mr. Girish, and Mr. Girish had 18 years of experience in toy making. So, Mr. Girish had told grandpa once that they were the family of toy makers, and his father was 74 years old. His brother and all of them had been in that field of making toys for a long period of time. So he also said that they made what is called as Sada Bombay. Sada Bombay means plain toys. He told me these toys are world famous. They are protected as a geographical indication under the WTO, that is World Trade Organization. These toys are made up of alemara, that means ivory wood, or Rixia tinctora tree. So Mr. Girish had told grandpa that the toys that they made was world famous and was made up of ivory wood from a tree called Rixia tinctora. So the toys were protected under World Trade Organization or WTO. The government of Karnataka is helping the toy makers. Training is being given with the help of KSHDC, that is Karnataka State Handicrafts Development Corporation. The government has constructed a lacquerware craft complex on Thattekere Road. Other than toys, they made cricket bats, wickets, photo frames, trophy bases, spectacle holders, etc. Financial assistance is being provided to the artisans with the help of Dutch government and the Vishwa scheme of government of Karnataka. Children, Karnataka State Handicraft Development Corporation of Government of Karnataka is giving training to toy makers. Okay, a craft complex on Thattekere Road is constructed by Government of Karnataka called as Lacquerware Craft Complex. So here not only toys but cricket bats, wickets, photo frames, etc. are done. So there is a scheme called Vishwa scheme of Government of Karnataka. It provides financial aid to these artisans. Kengal Anjaneya Swami temple is near this famous city. This was renovated by Sri Kengal Hanumantaya. It is beside Bengaluru-Mysuru highway. Thousands of people visit this temple. Famous cine actor Dr. Rajkumar has sung songs in praise of this god. Children, as I told earlier, a temple called Kengal Anjaneya Swami temple is present in Ramanagara. It is renovated by Sri Kengal Hanumantaya, who was the second chief minister of Karnataka. Dr. Rajkumar, a famous actor as well as singer from Karnataka, he has sung many songs in praise of this god. We have Janapada Loka near Ramanagara. Here we can see lots of folklore articles of rural people. It was founded by the late Dr. H.L. Nagegowda. In Janapada Loka, training is given to young artists to continue our tradition, culture and art. Every aspect of rural folk culture is taken care of by this institute. Children, Janapada Loka, founded by H.L. Nagegowda, is there near Ramanagara. Okay, so here village articles or items are found and training is given to young artists so that our culture and tradition is continued and not lost. Divya and Mukta, the two sisters, enjoyed listening to their grandpa's talk. They decided to visit Channapatna and Ramanagara with their grandpa in the summer vacation. So all the stories regarding the folk culture was told by grandpa of Divya as well as Mukta. So they listen to the story and they're also impressed by whatever he says. So they decided, Divya and Mukta decide to visit Channapatna and Ramanagara during their summer vacation. Coming to the homework part, today's homework is, if you happen to meet some toy makers, what questions will you ask them? Okay, complete this and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.